Hey guys, good morning. Back with another video. I got my suspension right here. Boom. I got 4 coils in here. So what we're gonna be doing today is putting the suspension, brakes and rotors on, and going to try to get the intercooler mounted. So let's get right into it. Also, if you're watching this video right now, like and subscribe. It'll be greatly appreciated.
What?
All right. I got the suspension on. You guys, let me grab my light. Ooh. Got my suspension on. Got the new rotors. Brakes are right there. Gonna put those on, and well, I'm gonna put them on all 4 wheels, and then I'm gonna adjust the height. Yeah. So far, I got the front suspension on, and it's a big difference. Look how it literally dropped like 2 inches, maybe even more than that. This is way. I didn't even do anything to the coils yet. But gonna attempt to do the back. I just found out I got a seized caliper on the driver's side, so I'm gonna have to go get that, and I have to get the passenger side one anyway too, because the bleeder screw is broken. So let's go. All right guys, so I'm back. I didn't record a lot because I just ran into a few things. While I was putting the suspension on, I put both fronts on, adjusted them, set the preload, all of that. And when I went to go press the caliper in, one was seized and the other one, the bleeder screw broke. So I had to get 2 new calipers, those are on. Brakes are bled. Went to go do the back. The rear controller and bushings are shot. I didn't even put the suspension on yet. But I did change the brakes and rotors, so those are on. Another thing, I finished wiring up the Rywire budget harness. Damn, I need my flashlight. So, oh, and if you guys noticed, I like working comfortable, you know? That's why I always have my sandals on, you know? You know, guys? That's why I always have them on, so. Come over here. So here we go. Right here. Got the power to the fuse box. I got the computer hooked up to the harness, and there was, well, I kind of tucked it, but if you see those wires right there, I had to splice those to the main, to the originally right here where the ECU was supposed to go, but spliced those in, made it look nice, clean, and I could pretty much put the blower back in, but I probably won't. I got more stuff to do, but yeah, I got the battery hooked up in the back right there. Battery's dead, but fuel pump primes, no fuel leaks, check that also. So yeah, we're making progress. Trying to make this dyno day, so let's make it happen. Alrighty, so right now I got the I made some brackets out of some sheet metal. Shout out Young Static, you're like the do-it-yourself master. I mean, I'm not as good as you, but I'm all right, okay? I'm all right. So I got the intercooler mounted. Now I'm gonna get the piping all set up because the shop called me on Friday, no, late Saturday, but we'll get into all that next video. About to put the piping on. Oh yeah, let's get it. So let's get this box open. Do-do-do, do-do-do. some reason the knife never wants to cut straight. Here we go, guys. Oh yeah. So for me, what I didn't get the eBay special with all the different pipings, with all the couplings, and you know, I don't like that. So I got the 2-piece. This is for the passenger side. No, that's for the driver's side. This is for the passenger side. So a little easier to mount, less couplings, and looks cleaner. So let's get this on. Hey, all right. So I got the intercooler and the piping all mocked up. Made my little El Cheapo brackets with some sheet metal. I had a few sheets right there. Made that. Now just gotta wait till tomorrow. It's gonna be another video this week where this should be all set and maybe a first startup. Stay tuned. Lunchtime. So, got everything mocked up. I think I'm just gonna wrap the video up here. Next video should be awesome. If you're watching this right now, like and subscribe the video. Well, like the video and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment below. I respond to all of them. And tell a friend to subscribe. Peace. I know, guys, that this video was pretty short, but I'm trying to do everything so fast that I can't record and install parts, so just bear with me. Usually I'll explain in the video what I did and what I didn't record, so just stay humble and stay blessed.